Here, July 6th, and we're going to try to begin our event out in the woods tonight to search and rescue at about 6. Now, here are your answers. 2 groups are going to go out and embed themselves somewhere on camp. The other 2 groups have to find them. That's phase 1. Phase 2 is everybody comes back and we switch. So the 2 groups that were looking now go get lost. Henry is going to be the dispatcher with a radio. Every group will have a radio, and we're going to ask you to have 1 radio with 1 operator. Okay, be the leader of your group. And you may need some help from the drones. Henry will be stationed with the drones and getting intelligence from their screens and what they're seeing. Okay. Oh, they should be ready to leave.
Or just get far enough away when they can.
So I'm part of the drone team, so I'm going to be commanding the other groups where the other groups are. So there's going to be groups 1 and 3 are hiding, and then groups 2 and 4 have to go find them, and I have to help with the drone to go find them. So it's going to be a good experience.
We got him. That's the last point they were seen, right? That's the report. We're getting the last place they were seen was on, and not down the trail. Go back to where we're at. Look at our heat signatures for a comparison.
Yep.
So we got the vehicles.
Currently looking for the 2 groups that have gone out and gotten lost. With the help of the sheriff's department's drone with the thermal cameras, we're on the search for them. We'll see how long it takes us to find them.
We just found the, I think it's group 1. Now I hope we can find the other one. 4. No, the drone was signaling over here, and then we checked it, found one, led to around the corner, and then, yeah. Group 4!
There should still be 1 searching and 1 lost.
We're looking for somebody.
I believe it was group 1 that has been located.
We have to look for group 3.
So like what? 4 people go this way, 4 people go that way, you're that way, and then come back, and if any of you have a watch, approximately 4 minutes we'll say.
Our group split off and we're going 2 different trails. Just to let you know.
10-4. Drone team is switching batteries, so we'll be up in a couple minutes.
And that shows up really good on the black. Well, there's some people right there. You see all those people?
Sounds like a cross rocket.
You see the one right? Oh, stop.
That one's standing there.
That right there on the tree, Derek. You see him?
Yeah. Search party, can you see the drone in the air?
Oh yeah, it's right there.
Yeah, we can see the drone.
Go towards the drone, and then the people should be just right below it.
So you guys just have to go.
When you're below the drone, we'll start lowering it.
Okay.
Okay, don't shine that light.
Carol, you're heading straight towards them.
Oh, they're shining it! That's so cool! Look at them! They're just cool or what? The drone right there, that's so cool!
Search party, how many have you found and how many are still outstanding?
Maybe you're gonna know.
It was very stressing because we thought they were over here and they were way over there. We ended up finding them because the drone had a big light beam coming down. It was like directed right on them.
Party 1 and 3, go ahead and start getting ready to go and search for groups 2 and 4. The drones are deploying.
That's as high as I can go.
Head towards the Veteran Memorial. We have a possible sighting.
10-4, is that by the pool?
Yes.
We're on our way.
Party, go like right below the drone and they should be there.
I found that!
Did you find any of them by the Veterans Memorial?
Yeah, we were trying to hide from the drone.
I wanted to hide from the people because I knew the people would find us.
Peyton knew that the drone doesn't see like from bird's eye. It kind of sees from like a little like forward a little bit. So he thought if we were against the rocks, they would just see a big hot line, and that wouldn't be that interesting to them, and they might go over it and then not think of anything. You gotta know where the drone is at all times. Like the drone was over there at one point, and we had to keep trying to look at it and find it. And then that drone like went all the way up by the parking lot and around. So we were just like chilling, sitting around. And then we saw this big drone coming up and over. And we like got into position, and then it just stood there for a while. Right as we saw it coming back, we had to like maneuver and come back here because we were over there.
Team, this is drone team.
Drone team, do you see anyone?
Currently where the drone is, there might be movement in that area, so go towards the drone. Search team, is there anything by you?
We're looking right now.
Closer, just keep going straight towards the drone.
Yeah, we found them.
Birdie, we have found all of them, correct?
Yes, we have found them all.
Can't go any higher.
We definitely have them on thermal.
Yeah.
Oh, my legs. We walked like, I don't know how long that was. I don't know where the other group is though. I don't know if we found that one.